Looks so clean, bro.
It's honestly the most ignorant thing I've ever done.
No, dude, it's dope.
My brother does customizations, and he texted me and said, "You're the only person I know who would do this."
Car, bro.
Yes, sir. He was like, "You're the only person I know who would do this." All right. Back here with the Porsche. So the Porsche is fully wrapped. The only problem we have is the spoiler is loose now. And other than the spoiler being loose, a little bit of damage on the spoiler, I think that'll be fine. And then the driver's side windows, which isn't working anymore. So that's interesting, but it's all good. Probably like 200 bucks in repairs. Overall, I think definitely worth the come up. So yeah, as you can see, okay, driver's side window doesn't work anymore. Gotta get that fixed. All good. And then the passenger side at least works, so that's good. All right.